The Walmart by my house does not have a bakery, so I decided to make Miss Patti Labelle's new sweet potato cookies myself. Started by creaming some softened butter, some white sugar, as well as some brown sugar until it was well combined. To my cream, butter, and sugar, I added half a cup of sweet potato. I also added some cinnamon, some nutmeg, as well as some vanilla extract. After I gave it a good mix, I worked on my dry ingredients. For your dry ingredients, you're going to need some flour, some baking soda, and some salt. I'm whisking up my dry ingredients in my new Miss Lena's biscuit bowl, which is launching on September 3rd. Now all you want to do is add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and give everything a good mix until it forms a dough. Roll a small amount of dough into a ball just like this. Now baby, Miss Patti has thumbprint cookies, so press your thumbprint in the middle of your cookie. For the icing, you're going to need some butter, some cream cheese, some vanilla extract, and give it a good mix. Now mix up some powdered sugar and a lot of cinnamon, and then add your sugar to your cream cheese and butter. When I tell you these sweet potato thumbprint cookies with cinnamon cream cheese frosted is everything, baby, run, don't walk to my website to get the tea on this full recipe. In the words of Miss Patti, if you only knew how much I love, need, and want you to make these sweet potato cookies. Somebody loves you, baby, and it's me, spilling the sweet tea. Like and follow for more easy recipes.